EOCO came to my house.
Shatta Wale atwika my fans ne huda.
FBI.
Ebema ebe say ne brand ebema Ghana for say there be can eye krono de.
For some ongoing search of lawful something at Transaco Valley.
Ebema go for say wakoto krono de anase bia Ghana for kra beka say there be kai de Shatta Wale ko wiaye.
What is the clocking of the gun for? So if they come my house, they know like they know if you just I know be somebody where I lost for I go feel lost for anywhere for.
EOCO for everything I invite Shatta Wale amana be yi nsem ano. Ene omako bo re ni fie I invade ni fie o mechemu amabo re fie ho akoye hwehwe mu kakra e wo fie ho ensem no say na siti agare mfa nsem ni na nsomo. Shatta Wale ene sisabra minu ka say de oye live or TikTok na ye insaka na video ni bi san bobi so on this platform na wo ensem ayokoso concerning Shatta Wale ene EOCO. Na mobeka Shatta Wale ewo Lamborghini bi abusuya Lamborghini Urus ana mkan Urus ai Lamborghini yellow one Shatta Wale ewo bi na saka yi na kwotwe ensem bebri ede abre Shatta Wale asabre de say 2019 car but sabre ho sensem ba pa mo chemu a dwum ho ba bi ene eye FBI amo USA and afi Department of Justice amo United States ede be to Ghana EOCO animu se ene Ghana intelligent hwan for animu se car no ye wie frɛ buchi na de abaga ha na omonye hwehwemu na omo a omo masonte eno na eye EOCO for department bi a omo na omo na mafiefie bo hwehwe ehwe kyese cars a ofio registered kwa be so na fa so nya no mkoboru Shatta Wale ni fie wo Transaco Valley no mu se car yi esi ho na amu susu se car no sa car na FBI for edibeto justice sa car no na ayere wo US a nye sa car no cars bi bra ayera ai na mamemfa wonko EOCO for letter sabri amodabeto abonten address the issue kwanya mo fa so ko hu car yi wo Shatta Wale fi date say ne sitie mamemfa wo munra say de sitie press release from search and retrieval of proceed of crime from the home of Charles Ni Ama that is Shatta Wale. Date no August 5th 2025 time is 6:31 p.m. In June this year Economic and Organization Crime Office acting on 2023 request from the Federal Bureau of Investigation FBI and the United States Justice Department undertook an operation which led to a lawful search in a home at Transaco Valley Phase 1 in Accra. The operation, which was undertaken by the Surveillance and Asset Recovery that did the Seru of EOCO, led the discovery of seizure of a 2019 Lamborghini Urus, which the FBI and the Justice Department have tied the proceeds of the criminal enterprise of one Nana Kwabna Amua, who is currently serving an 86-month sentence for several financial crime in the US. That is a pay no ku wia car na yakoje fisher Shatta Wale ni nsema sabre news ni trend no. The car was seized from one Charles Ni Ama Mensa aka Shatta Wale. The officers were professional and civil and the search and seizure occurred without incident. Omoje kan wa bra hwe ansi Ni Ama had pleaded with officers that he did not want the seizure to be made public because the vehicle was a big part of his brand and that if a supporter saw the vehicle being driven away in the company of the EOCO, it would destroy his brand. Shatta Wale epa EOCO officials omko fi on say osromo car na de so omutwi sisi ya omugina we no so mo de ko EOCO head officer. Shatta Wale atwika na manifans ne huda ebema ebe say ne brand ebema Ghana for say there be car no eye krono de car no ne fans na ebe say ne brand chese ebema ngofo say ase wakoto krono de anase bia Ghana for kra beka say there be kai de Shatta Wale ko wiaye sa ena Ghana for beka nti opom che say there be sabre de ema omo emfa car no ko at that moment be yes ebe tarnish the image. Ni Ama Mensa was allowed to surrender the vehicle himself, which is currently in the possession of EOCO. Shatta Wale nankasa EOCO ma kwan se onu ankasa fa car mbra EOCO head office. Na Shatta Wale nankasa ede car no koye Sabre Canada's EOCO head office. It is standard safety protocol practice for officers of the Surveillance and Asset Recovery Unit SARU to carry weapons whilst on operation for the safety of officers. Yes, says sa onkofui SARU for no emo surveillance of asset and recovery unit for no so mo ba wo ababeye investigation bi also mo kura etu ene ne mo metimi da bob ho ban for security purposes bi omo de beye haham and Shatta Wale life no wase omo ba no mo de tu by no mo clock tu ne krekre eno ho nkyeremu na EOCO for edi kan de ba ha kra before answer na okoye life no wait and watch the full video because ebebo the live video no ne ono so any part of the story ono so work. The FBI and the Justice Department intend to extend former mutual legal assistant MLA to the government of Ghana to return the car to the United States as part of Nana Kwabena Amue's $4,743,444 reinstitution. Chasni Ama, aka Shatta Wale, and a former senior officer of the National Signal Bureau (NSB), have been assessed as persons of interest and will be invited by EOCO to assist in further ongoing investigation in the coming days. EOCO may share the final investigation report to the FBI and the department as part of our ongoing cooperation. In this update, Shatta Wale and former senior officer of the of the National Signal Bureau, omobetimi akopim we EOCO near office na omayi nsema leading to nipa ya ono enam no so Nana Kwabena Amua ono ena chese sabri de nyamna sema ye koso se ya smuggle cars de frɛ buchi anase ya tonton cars be mo bi pia o mayi mu a ama sabri SM abe victim no he Shatta Wale and then former NSB boss NSB pani ba ko ebitima kopim no makoye makototo omano. That is investigation. Said they will get to know say that Lamborghini Urus, it will be shipped back to the United States. Now, I'm the man US. And Tisabre de Shatta Wale letter EOCO edeba bontini. Na SM this no si debi mwanya de. Also be church on send me to Facebook Invade time so me find so enso mo ansa na yakọ live video no so. Wa bra EOCO foku pie mu ni fie no. Na Shatta Wale ebe church on say was EOCO boss, the president of Ghana didn't put you in that office to come and humiliate the citizens of this country. Remember, God no sleep and all the two. No say Raymond Aka, EOCO boss. If you go make NDC go out of power next 4 years, bringing guns to my house and uncalled for. I say omo di tuba ni fie na no sa Raymond EOCO boss no and the ability NDC amama ko opposition in the coming election, the coming general election, because they said no enye ne feso adentina wo se oba be ye investigation a odi tu ene ko bi fie ena EOCO for so mo letter mu no so chemu say for security purposes and for self protections and entina mo use sa etuo no ne sa ne manomare ko SM fie no say enye say yakọ hame na nase bibisa. And then Shatta Wale came TikTok live. He is on live right now as we are speaking. Because the news is circulating everywhere. Everyone is talking about the news. Now, here is what Shatta Wale said. Said about the whole issue that is trending on a year.
EOCO came to my house, and they were acting on a request from FBI, a United something department, for some ongoing search of lawful something at Transaco Valley. The operation, which was blah 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 blah, and recovery what for a Lamborghini environment blah 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 blah, was a criminal something to Nana Kwabena Amua. That is one point. The team of EOCO that came to my house, it was on the 8th of May. I was playing basketball on TikTok live. After, then I go swim. All those who could remember on TikTok, you guys know. I was playing my basketball. After that, I finished, I go swim. So I did swim. When my security can call me, so some plenty police people, they breach the main gate where they enter inside. I say, like, how do you enter the estate? So no, they force them away and enter the estate. I was they force them away like how? Like, what's up? So they did your house in front plenty. So that day with my manager. Well, so make you go check. Say, go check. He said, also, like, plenty police car there your house in front. Was we did the old guns and so was and this happened on the 8th of May. I was did the old guns like what? Okay. But ask them anything. Say no, you just see them that way we ten come. We did call them we say they come. Because you know being house. That's okay. So I just get out from the pool. I walk close to the gate. As I walk close to the gate, now the first thing I hear be crack, 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 crack. Why I say what be that? What nonsense be that? Who the clock gun for there? No? What's life be that? Where they say, oh no, Shatta, oh heavy wheel. I say, no, the gun in the clock, what be the meaning of that? What is the clocking of the gun for? Like what if they say you even say come Shatta Wale house, Shatta Wale be criminal. What is the clocking of the gun for? They say, oh no, they beg me back. I say, where they from? Where they come? Did they get it? Where they see they from EOCO? I say, so if they come my house, they know like they know if you just I know be somebody where I lost for I go feel lost for anywhere for Ghana. So they know if you just at least call or maybe email or find my management, but you can't park in front of my house like they can't catch armed robbers. Bro, as at now, I know if you sleep. As at now, I know if you sleep. Because the trauma for my head inside was too much for me. Which gun clocking be this? Like, as at now, I know my head know the fuel. And I talk to my security team. Did they try get that camera surveillance for me? And I will post it on social media. For people to ask yourself, like, okay, cool, if Shatta Wale, some problem come, they can't clock down.
So this is the news that is trending, and this is a clarification video from Shatta Wale. I want to work on the side of the story, and because it's a seminal trendy, why make a bit tarnish your image Shatta Wale about life and or clarify no young pechina you best the next video, because life in the tribune and there's some way camera studios. If you haven't followed this page, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and become part of this amazing platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator, and I'm finally out.